Sending money to India from your RBC account can feel like navigating a maze. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the simplest and most cost-effective routes in just a minute and a half. First, let's talk about the classic wire transfers. To initiate a wire transfer, log into your RBC online banking or visit your local branch. You'll need the recipient's full name, address, bank name, branch address, and most importantly, their Indian bank account number and IFSC code. That's the Indian equivalent of a SWIFT code. In your RBC online banking, navigate to the Transfers or International Transfers section, select Wire Transfer, and carefully fill out the required information. Double-check everything. A single typo can cause major delays. RBC charges a fee for wire transfers, typically around $45 to $50. And the exchange rate might not be the most favorable. Processing time is usually 25 business days. Now, let's explore potentially cheaper and faster alternatives. Money transfer services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, Remitly, and Zoom often offer better exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional wire transfers. They work by using local bank transfers, which cuts down on international transfer fees. To use these services, you'll typically create an account, verify your identity, and link your RBC bank account. Then, you'll enter the recipient's details as you would for a wire transfer. The app will show you the exact exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time upfront. Compare the fees and exchange rates of both RBC wire transfers and these alternative services before you make your transfer. Remember to also consider the processing time. Some services offer near-instant transfers. Ultimately, the best method depends on your specific needs. If speed is crucial and you don't mind paying a bit more, a faster money transfer service might be ideal if you're prioritizing cost savings and have some time to spare. Comparing the options is key. Now you're equipped to send money to India like a pro.